Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix site mobile-friendly. While Wix automatically creates a mobile version, manual optimization is key for a perfect user experience. We'll go through the steps to fine-tune your site, ensuring it looks fantastic and functions flawlessly on smaller screens. This process involves using the dedicated mobile editor to adjust elements and layout, making your content easily accessible for every visitor. To begin, navigate to your Wix desktop editor and locate the mobile icon at the very top. Clicking this icon will seamlessly switch you to the mobile editor, a powerful tool designed specifically for optimizing your site for phones and tablets. Here, you can independently adjust your layout, ensuring it looks perfect without affecting your desktop design. You can also hide elements that might clutter the mobile experience, keeping it clean and focused. Once in the mobile editor, focus on optimizing your content and layout. Adjust text sizes and line spacing to ensure readability on smaller screens, making it comfortable for your visitors to consume information. Resize images and galleries so they load quickly and display beautifully without overwhelming the mobile interface. Don't forget to utilize the Optimize Mobile View feature. It can intelligently rearrange elements, saving you valuable time and effort in achieving a polished look. Before publishing, it's crucial to thoroughly preview your mobile site on different device sizes. This step helps you catch any layout issues or misaligned elements. Test every link, button, and form to ensure they are fully functional and provide a smooth user experience. Once you are completely satisfied with your mobile design and functionality, hit the Publish button. Your efforts will ensure a fantastic experience for all your mobile visitors, reaching a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.